my table is finally here. Alright, let's see what we're doing here. So we have a new dining table. These are the instructions. So let's figure it out. And it's supposed to be really simple to assemble because it's literally only like 3 pieces. So this is kind of like the base here. The only thing, I wish it wasn't metal. Like, that's the only thing, is I wish I didn't get a metal table, but it's just gonna have to work. But this is the table here. I don't know how to pick it up. Oh. Whoa. This is the tabletop here. Oh. Okay, I'm gonna have to do this last. And then we have our tools. All right, so now we're just gonna take our base, line it up with the holes down here. There we go. And screw the screws back on, and we have us a dining table. I wanted a white table so that I could record on and for aesthetics, but also because it was so simple to put together. It's literally only 1, 2, 3, 4 pieces. 4 pieces for this table. And so I cannot wait to put it together, flip it over, and put it in our little corner, and then figure out chairs and all of those things. But I'm so happy about this because I have a workspace slash dining area. So let's get this on and finished. So these are our directions. Trying to make sure that they make sense to me. This is the table top itself. This is the bottom. This is kind of like the stand or whatever. It doesn't have legs, it's just this, and that's like the base. So let's try to make sense of it. It came with this and with that, so we're gonna try to make sense of it all because this just doesn't make sense to me. I don't know what I'm doing. Okay, so we're taking these out, and I want to kind of make sure that I put the right ones back in. My hands are ashy. How do I know which ones to do? The other question is like, how do you know which ones to do? No, this one, I don't think it has the one in the middle. I think it's doing the 3 all around, so I think it'll be better. Off of that, I guess. I don't know. Alright. Woo! So we got that on. Now, so that means we have, I think we're working from the bottom up. We have, no, we're doing this our own way because my brain doesn't work the way the directions are. All right, so now we need to put this part on, and this part is gonna go with like the tabletop. Let me show you. Okay, so this is what we're looking at here. So you have these 3 holes. Gotta line them up. Line the holes up with this. And then we have our 3 screws that will go into here. It doesn't really say which ones you're supposed to use, but I've been using like these 3, not the middle one. So I really don't know though. And then you just screw it on with one of these. So we got, let's try to line up our holes here. Alright, got our holes lined up.